In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert sticker in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find stickers, how to place them in your worksheet, and a few practical tips to make them look great and behave the way you expect. Start by opening your workbook and making sure the sheet you want to decorate is active. Look up to the ribbon at the top of Excel and go to the Insert tab. This is the home for anything you want to add to your sheet, from charts to shapes, and, in our case, stickers. If you're using Microsoft 365 or Excel for the web, you should see everything you need there. On the Insert tab, find the Icons command. It might appear as a small picture icon with the word Icons, and it often sits near pictures, shapes, or illustrations. Click it to open the gallery. This gallery bundles several visual options in one place, including icons, illustrations, and stickers. If your window isn't very wide, the command may be grouped. Just expand it to reveal the full gallery. Inside the gallery, switch to the Stickers section. You'll see a variety of playful, expressive designs organized into categories. You can browse the collections or use the search box to quickly narrow down to a theme, great for dashboards, team mood boards, or adding a little personality to reports. When you find a design you like, select it to add it to your sheet. Once the sticker appears in Excel, it behaves like a graphic object that floats above the cells. Click and drag to move it wherever you want. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping proportions, and the rotation handle to tilt it for emphasis. If you need a second copy, use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, or copy and paste as many times as you like to keep a consistent style across your sheet. A few quick tips to polish the result. Stickers don't live inside a single cell, so if you insert or delete rows and columns, their position may shift relative to your data. To keep layout changes tidy, consider placing stickers in areas of the sheet that won't be frequently resized, like headers or margins. Before printing or sharing as a PDF, switch to Print Preview to confirm the sticker sits exactly where you want on the page. If the sticker appears too large on export, scale it down on the sheet first for a cleaner output. If you don't see the Icons command, you may be on an older Excel version, or your organization might restrict online content. Updating Excel or checking with your admin usually resolves that. And that's all it takes to insert stickers in Excel. Simple, fast, and a fun way to make your spreadsheets more engaging.